Hello everyone, welcome to Kalosam BD. Today we are going to discuss about an important topic of forensic medicine, Dhatura poisoning. Dhatura is a stupefying agent as it causes stupor. Another stupefying agents are cannabis indica and chloroform. Dhatura is also a deliriant as it causes delirium. So other deliriants are cannabis indica, Atropa belladonna, Hyoscyamus niger. Two species of Dhatura are commonly found in Bangladesh. One is Dhatura alba, whose flower is white in color and so known as Safed Dhatura, and another is Dhatura niger, whose flower is black or purple, so known as Kala Dhatura. Let's talk about the parts of Dhatura. Its flower is bell-shaped. Fruits are spherical and have sharp spikes, so it is also known as thorn apple. Its seeds are yellowish brown and one fruit approximately contains 450 to 500 seeds. And in regards of toxicity, all these parts of Dhatura are poisonous, but its fruit and seeds are more poisonous. As the Dhatura seeds look like chili seeds, so it's important to know the difference between Dhatura seeds and capsicum seeds. So in regards of size, Dhatura seeds are larger and thick, whereas the capsicum seeds are small and thin. So at the lateral border, Dhatura seeds are double-edged, but the capsicum seeds are sharp at margins. The color of the seeds of Dhatura are yellowish brown and the capsicum are pale brown. Dhatura seeds are odorless, but the capsicum seeds are pungent. The taste of Dhatura seeds are bitter, but capsicum seeds are pungent also. In the surface of Dhatura seeds, there are numerous small depressions, where the capsicum seeds are smooth, and on cut section of the Dhatura seed, the embryo is curved outwards at the hilum, but the capsicum seeds are curved inwards. The fatal dose of Dhatura is approximately 100 to 125 seeds, which weighs about 0.6 to 1 gram. In children, it is only 4 milligram, which is fatal, and the fatal period is almost 24 hours. The active principles of Dhatura are commonly alkaloids. The common alkaloids found in Dhatura are hyoscine or scopolamine, hyoscyamine, and trace amounts of atropine. Let's talk about the mechanism of action of Dhatura. At first, it acts on higher center. It first stimulates the higher center and then depresses, and lastly causes paralysis. Then it inhibits the sweat and saliva secretion. In cutaneous blood vessels, it dilates them. In the eye, it dilates the pupil. It increases the temperature, and at last death occurs due to respiratory failure. So what will be the sign symptoms for these actions? The sign symptoms can be commonly memorized as 9D. They are dryness in the mouth and throat, dysphagia, difficulty in speech, dilated pupil, dilated cutaneous blood vessels, dry and hot skin, drunken gait, delirium, and drowsiness. Except for these Ds, there are also some important signs like burning pain in the stomach and vomiting, pulse is rapid, visual and auditory hallucination, photophobia, and light reflex is absent. Let's discuss the Morton's sign of Dhatura poisoning. Then due to suppression of the secretion of saliva, there is dryness of the mouth and throat. This is known as dry as bone. Then due to dilatation of cutaneous blood vessels, face is flushed, which is known as red as beet. Then, due to dilation of pupils and paralysis of accommodation of near vision, it is called blind as bat. And due to stimulation of the heat regulation center, it is called hot as hair. And as the person becomes restless and confused and utters indistinct words, it is called mad as weten. The differential diagnosis of Dhatura poisoning are delirium and heat stroke. Now, how will you diagnose a patient of Dhatura poisoning? A test is done which is known as Mydriatic test. In this test, 1 drop of urine of the victim is poured on the eye of a cat. If the pupil of the cat's eye is dilated within 30 minutes, that the Mydriatic test is positive, which means it is a case of Dhatura poisoning. After diagnosis, the treatment is necessary. At first, stomach wash is given with potassium permanganate. Its antidote is physostigmine, which is given subcutaneously, and pilocarpine nitrate is also given. To oppose the effect of delirium, short-acting barbiturates may work, but morphine is strictly prohibited in case of Dhatura. The post-mortem findings, they are not actually characteristic, but as death occurs from respiratory failure, signs of asphyxia will be present, and internally seeds of Dhatura may be found in stomach and intestine, and these seeds resist putrefaction for a long time. Medico-legal importance. Dhatura seeds are crushed and mixed with different roadside foods and used before robbery in case of travelers. So it is called traveler's poison. This is common in bus station, railway station, in those crowded places. Then suicidal by Dhatura is common in rural areas. Accidental poisoning may happen in case of children who eat Dhatura fruits accidentally. And Dhatura is also believed to act as an aphrodisiac agent and laugh filter. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe our channel